Hi, my name is Kishan Upadhyay. I am from CapitalSetu. We have launched our new product. Today, we are going to take through a complete guide on how to use SetuFi, your all-in-one business management tool, from setting up your account to connecting with Tally and accessing your Tally data on mobile. Before we dive in, please ensure that you have Tally installed on your system. It's a licensed version, and your system is running Windows 10 with at least 8 GB of RAM and 64-bit processor. Now let's get started. Okay, so how to install app and connect with Tally? First thing first, let's get your SetuFi account up and running. Head over to SetuFi mobile app, download the SetuFi app from the App Store or Google Play. For existing user, if you have already created an account in SetuFi, you can log in easily using your registered email and password. If you are new to SetuFi platform, here is a step-by-step guide on how to sign up and connect with Tally. So simply click on the sign up button, enter your name, email address, mobile number and create a strong password. Make sure to use a valid email address as it will be required for verification. And now simply click on sign up button. You will receive a one-time password on your registered email and mobile number via SMS. Start by clicking on the link you have received on the registered email. Follow the instructions to install the SetuFi desktop app on your computer. Once the installation is complete, open the SetuFi app, enter your registered email and password, then simply click on login button. Now open your Tally on your system. Select the company that you want to sync with SetuFi and go back to the SetuFi desktop app. First check the settings in SetuFi app. Ensure that the Tally port number and the SetuFi desktop app port number are the same. To do this, first check the port number in Tally, then enter this same port number in SetuFi app. Following these steps will allow you to successfully sync your Tally data with SetuFi. After that, we need to go to add company. Click the register button and simply register the company. Then we will go directly to my companies. From here, we will manually sync the company once. So just click on sync. During the first sync, Tally should be minimized. The initially data sync might take some time depending on your total number of transactions in your Tally. The more data you have in Tally, the longer it may take. Okay, so after successfully connecting with Tally, first you will see the name of your company here, which is the one you have synced. Additionally, you will be able to see the sync time and date, showing you the last time your data was synced. If you have synced multiple companies, you can switch another company by clicking on the down arrow. Additionally, if you want to view data from previous financial year, you can change the year from here. And also, we have provided you company overview, like a total sales, receivables, payables, etc. These sections provide of your company's financial health by displaying total for sales, credit note, receivables, payables, income and expenses. It allows you to monitor cash flow and financial performance in real time. And also quick reports, quick access to sales and purchase related data such as customer, invoices, received, payments and credit note, receivables. This help track outstanding payment and overall sales performance. And also purchase report includes vendor data, bills payment made, debit notes and tables, and vendor relationship and cash outflows. And also actionable insights, number of customer, vendors, stock inventory, shows the count of active customer and vendors and inventory items. This is a critical for managing relationship and stock levels. Number of transactions displays the total number of financial transactions, helping in understanding the volume of business activities. At the bottom, you will find a footer with buttons for home, sales, purchase, invoice and customers. These features allow you to view your data in detail. For instance, when you click on sales, you can see your monthly sales performance including total sales and compare it with the previous month. You can also apply filters to view the data monthly, yearly and quarterly. When you click on sales, you will also see the total outstanding amount in the market, showing how much money you need to collect from customers. Additionally, all invoices that are due or already overdue will be visible, helping you stay on top of your receivables. After clicking on sales, all your outstanding customer will be displayed. By selecting a particular customer, you can view detailed data related to that customer. This includes the total outstanding amount, the specific invoices that are due or overdue, payment history, and any credit note associated with the data. This detailed view allows you to manage and follow up on your receivables more effectively. And here you will see the overdue invoices along with the receipt showing how much payment you have collected and which invoices have been settled. You will also be able to view the total outstanding. You will also be able to view the total outstanding amount that needs to be collected from debtors and the total amount received. Additionally, you will see the number of days invoices have been overdue, helping you track how long payment have been pending. You also have an activity features where you can see when reminders were sent to your customers and that what follow-ups have been done. In this video, I will also explain how can you set up and send automatic reminder, making it easier to manage customer communications and ensure timely payments. Okay, so after clicking on purchase, all your outstanding supplier will be displayed. By selecting a particular supplier, you can view detailed data related to the supplier. This includes the total outstanding amount, the specific bills that are due or overdue, and also payment history and any debit note associated with the supplier. This detailed view allows you to manage the follow-up on your payables actively. Here you have features for invoices. Just click on invoices, and where you can view all your invoices including those that are due and overdue invoices. This section allows you to track the status of each invoices and manage your account more efficiently. And also here you can view all your customers, and also here you can view all your customers. In the customer section, you have the option to send ledger, allowing you to share your customers ledger with them. You have multiple options like email, SMS, and you can download in a PDF. And to set up automatic reminders, click on set reminder. Here is the process. Start by enabling auto reminder. Fill in the necessary contact details such as email address and mobile number and WhatsApp number. Just click on save button, and you can set a credit limit for your customers to manage their credit effectively, like a basic of number days, basic of outstanding amount. This is an optional feature, and you can add a multiple contacts. And also you have primary mode of communication, like choose how you want to send reminders to your customers: WhatsApp, email, SMS. And after entering all details, click the save button to share your automatic reminders. Additionally, there is a web portal for SetuFi where you need update certain settings before you can set reminders from your mobile. Let me take you to the portal and show you how to properly configure your reminder settings. Okay, so first of all, login into the SetuFi portal using your registered email and password. Please note that all features available on the portal are also accessible via the mobile app. You can use both the portal and the mobile app according to your preference. Before sending reminders, you need to configure the reminder settings. To do this, go to the settings section. Ensure that all the necessary configurations related to reminders are properly set up. Before or after due date, first decided whether you want to send reminders before the due date or after it. This depends on your reminder strategy. Days input specify how many days before or after the due date you want the reminders to be sent. For example, 30 days before or 30 days after. Frequency settings determine how often reminders should be sent. You can choose options like daily, weekly, and bi-weekly. Reminder names, like enter the name for your reminders such as payment reminder or follow-up reminder. And recipients choose who should receive the reminders: customer account managers or other. You can select multiple recipients if needed. Subject line specify the subject line for the reminders which summarize the content of reminders. For example, payment reminder 30 days before due date. Choose the template for the reminders content. You can select from predefined templates or create a custom template. After filling out all the details, review your settings and submit the reminder configuration.